Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Lumpung Ilakai Cricket ka Beningkong Ribhoi bala pelong the Central Ribhoi Cricket Association ka belatip ka First Central Ribhoi Cricket League Deuce Ball lapan Sdang ha ka arpoi tre uleber aja penriu da ka jia khun hapdang ka Best of the Best Umïam Cricket Club Persya ya ka Grassroots Cricket Club ya ka ni ka Lumpung Ilakai ka belalong Hamadan Sdang Sports and Cultural Playground Sdang la play da President ka Meghalaya Cricket Association u James P.K. Sangma u belalong Kong San ringkat ke Jingdan Lang Presiden ke RPYF Ubak Bipul Thangkeu ke Musembor Kong San u SDO ke Patar Khma u Chantanya Awas Thi Bat Kiwi ha ke Jinga Khun ke Best of the Best Umïam Cricket Club kala job ia ke Grassroots Cricket Club dan Re Weekend ha ke ni ke juk sengiu James PK Sangma bat kina ilam ke Central Ribhoi Cricket Association kila le jurep ia ke caka jong ke Central Ribhoi Cricket Association ke badan ha ke Shnong Sning Nong Khmai ia ke bala ais ko bha da ke Shnong ban Shnai ke madan nilek kai
which played by the real Deuce Ball. Whenever I used to visit many of the cricket tournaments, I used to see only the tennis ball cricket. But in the discussion happened in the last time, I was there with my friends. We were sitting in one of the restaurant. They were discussing regarding why don't we start playing with the real Deuce. Then in our discussion we said long time back when we was a child, there was 3 teams I know that they used to play with the real Deuce. These 3 teams I remember that is from Kadamkulai, Jel Point, Sumer and Umïam. Most of the players, these 3 teams used to play with the real Deuce in their ground, but in many grounds in Ribhoi district I don't find out that they are playing with the real Deuce. So I congratulate Master Don Sumer, Rocky Marweng and his team to come up with this association, and immediately after forming the association they came up with this league. I was a little bit surprised to learn even there are almost 24 teams who have participated with this. In a very few days they could collect almost for 24 teams and clubs who has participated in the first league of the Central Ribhoi. In Ribhoi district, I didn't find any ground, but yesterday when I gave a call to my friends who are members in this association, he told me that he was here present in the ground, in maintaining the ground, but I was a little bit surprised to see this time that the ground which my football team has just played last few weeks back was a football ground, but today I was a little bit surprised to see that the ground they had do all the artwork. I think association has invested not only in running the tournament but even in maintaining the ground too. So I congratulate again to Master Don and his team for such a beautiful program that they have invested first time in Ribhoi district. I do request Sir James to kindly help the Ribhoi Central Ribhoi Cricket Association and the Ribhoi district as a whole, so that we can produce our own players from our district, because we had produced lots of footballers from Ribhoi district, but we haven't seen any players from the cricket they could participate through the skill they are having by own, because the reason behind it we could not give them the platform. So I hope through the Central Ribhoi Cricket Association the talent youth can show their skill and they will be picked up by the Meghalaya Cricket Association, and I hope so one day our youth from Ribhoi district they will play in Ranji Trophy or in ISL in the coming days.
On behalf of the Central Ribhoi Cricket Association, I extend a warm welcome to all of you to the grand opening of the first Central Ribhoi Cricket League 2026. Sir, cricket has always been a passion for the youth of Ribhoi for many years. Our players have been actively playing tennis ball cricket in villages and local grounds. Tennis ball cricket has played a very important role in building interest and love for the game among our players. Therefore, today, we are not here to condemn tennis ball cricket, but to take a step forward in the development of cricket in our district. Sir, for information, a group of our former players from Ribhoi who have played cricket in the past came together with a vision. We realized that if our young players are to compete at higher levels, they must be given exposure to the real format of the game. That is why we decided to introduce deuce ball cricket in Ribhoi. Today, with the launch of this league, we are beginning a new chapter in the cricketing history of our district. This is the first deuce ball cricket tournament in Ribhoi, and we are truly encouraged to see that within a very short span of time, 24, for information sir, 24 clubs have come forward to participate. This shows the tremendous enthusiasm, talent, passion for the cricket that exists among a youth. Cricket in India has grown into a global powerhouse because of the vision of the leadership of the BCCI in India. Through strong grassroots developments, proper infrastructure, and opportunities for young players, the BCCI has transformed cricket in our country and brought countless talents from small towns and rural areas to the national and international stage.
Congratulate them that despite this very, very short time after their formation, they have been able to really come together and work together and organize this cricket league tournament. This is not a small task. It is a very challenging task, and it really goes to show the kind of leadership and the kind of passion and dedication that the members of the Central Ribhoi Cricket Association have. So I would like to, on behalf of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, thank them from the bottom of my heart for this lovely initiative that they are taking, for the kind of contribution that they are making to cricket in our state, not just in Central Ribhoi, but for the entire state, and for the opportunity that they are giving to all the cricketers, the amount of talent that is available in this district to all those players. So a very big thank you to Badon Sumer, to Baroki, and to all the members of Central Ribhoi Cricket League. As was mentioned by Badon, the president of the association, that this is part of a grassroots initiative, and I cannot really say more than what he has already mentioned. Grassroots cricket is an integral and extremely important part of how cricket comes up in any state. It is actually the very foundation based on which cricket will slowly emerge and develop. I am quite surprised today that despite the amount of the teams that are participating in this league today, 24 as we were already told, that such kind of grassroots initiatives was lacking in Ribhoi district. I'm quite surprised. But it is a pleasant surprise for me, because today, after this league tournament has been organized, we have seen that all these teams have been able to take this opportunity and participate in this league. So better late than never, and it is a very good initiative. I wish Central Ribhoi Cricket Association all the very best in this tournament. I wish all the participating teams, the clubs, all of them, all the very best. May the best team win, but at the end of the day, may cricket win. that is from the deepest corners of my heart, my best wishes to all of you, to the entire Central Ribhoi district, and to all the players and the participating leagues. Once again, I will not take much time. This is a wonderful opportunity for me to also extend my support to the Central Ribhoi Cricket Association. We as MCA, it is always our endeavor to give any kind of support, whether they are affiliated or not. It is our bounden duty to support cricket at the grassroots level and to help cricket grow and to help our players find an opportunity to not just develop and bring up cricket in their own respective districts, but also to one day, as was mentioned by Bardon, to wear the blue jersey of our great nation.
Target correct. ठीक है
वो नेपाली ऐसे नेपाली बात किया ये आउटे
पकड़ना सैंडी ये सब पकड़ना है भाई
सैंडी 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 वो है वही है ना
बॉलर ले रहा Bowling. Fielding.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.